Assalamualaikum student, I hope that you all are fine and having a great time at home, and I am very much sure that you are following all the COVID SOPs. The first one is to wear the mask when you are going outside, and second, washing your hands again and again and sanitizing your hands. Let's start our today's lesson with the name of Allah and say with me Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो नहायत मेहरबान रहम वाला है. शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो नहायत मेहरबान रहम वाला है. Okay friends, today we will go through letter C, which you have already gone through, but for you I will show this is letter C and its sound is K. K. So you will identify it with some other letters. I will mix it up. Mix it up. Okay, tell me, is this B? Yes, this is B. And tell me, is this C? Yes, this is C. So, today we will go through letter C. There are so many words around us which have the initial sound of C. And you know the sound of C, it's K. K. Car. Cap, cup, cat, candy, clock. So again say with me, car, cup, cap, candy, cat, clock, and cap again. Let's see which words are given over your book of phonics. So open your book of phonics at page number 6. There are some objects given which start from the initial sound of K. K, castle. K, castle. K, coins. K, coins. K, camera. K, camera. K, crab. Crab. K, cat. Cake. Again revise this with me. K, castle. K, coins. K, camera. K, crab. K, cat. K, cake. So what you will do at the end of this lesson, you will revise this page again and again with its correct sound. Now come to the writing of this letter. First we will acquaint ourselves that how we can write it and what is its shape. As you know that over the book or notebook we write over the 4 lines. But first we have to see what it really looks like. So it goes round in a half circle. Its shape is somewhat like a half circle. This is capital C. And now come to the smaller c. It's same as the capital, but it is smaller in the size. It's K. Now let's see, this one is the capital one, which comes into the first 3 lines, and the next one is the smaller one. This comes into the second 2 lines. Now come to your activity book of English and open your books at page number 6 and 7. This is your book of activity and you will open it at page number 6. Let's see what its shape look like. I will done it for you. What you will do, you will put your pencil little below the first line and make a half circle. And you will complete your half circle, which will be little upper from the third line. So again I will draw this for you, the capital one. You will put your pencil little below the first line and you will make a half circle which will end by touching the third line, and it will go little above than the third line. Now come to the smaller letter. You will put your pencil again little below the second line and you will make a circle which will ends up by touching the third line, and it will go little above the third line. Now come to the second part of your page. Here some pictures are given and their initial sounds are with the letter C. K. K, cake. K, cat. K, cap. 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 K, carrot. Rest of two pictures are not starting with the sound K, because this is boat and this is arrow. You may say this is boat or it may be called yacht. So you will do what over this page, that you will color the pictures which have the initial sound of K. Cat, cake, cap, carrot. Now come to your next book, which is exercise book of English, and you will open it at page number 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is your book of exercise and you will do it at page number 9, 10, 11 and 12 for today. So let's see how we'll write it. Here on the first page, page number 9, smaller C is given. So how you will write, you will put your pencil over the dot which is given little below the second line, and you will make a half circle by touching the above line and by touching the third line, and you will go a little above than the third line. I will do one for you. Again I will erase a letter and do one for you. So come to the next, capital C. I'm using the book of your one of the class fellows, that's why I'm erasing it. So what you will do, you will put your pencil again over the dot and you will touch the first line by making a half circle, and you will come to the last line, and by touching it you will go little above and you will stop here. Again I will write one C for you, the capital C, which will come into first three lines. Put your pencil over the dot, make a half circle by touching first and third line and go little above and stop. So it's our capital C. By following the same pattern, you will do the next page as well. Here a picture of cake is given. You can decorate it and you can color it. Now how you will write over your notebooks? So let's do that. I have a notebook and you will open it at letter C and its sound is K. Your teacher has decorated it with a beautiful cat. Let's see how we'll write it. Again, we will put our pencil little below the first line and we will make a half circle by touching the third line, and we will go little above and we will stop here. First, you will use first 3 lines for the capital C, and as well as the third C, you will start from the second line little below and you will make a half circle by touching the third line and go little above and stop. I will do another letter for you. Put your pencil little below the first line and make a half circle by touching the third line. I have done a mistake. Again, by touching the third line, you will not go beyond the third line and you will stop. Now come to the smaller C. You will put your pencil little below the second line and you will touch the third line and come little above the third line. So how it will be our letter C. So you will write over the notebook. Our today's lesson is finished and I hope that you have enjoyed it. Have a good day.